Hey, I'm Lulaby, and today I'm going to show you all of my favorite materials to use when I make vision or dream boards. So I am a life igniter. I work with women who are ready to ignite their lives and really get going with, creating a life that they love. So today I am prepping materials because I'm actually teaching this class on Saturday, this coming Saturday, and I'm going to stream it live here on YouTube. And so I have a materials list that you can download in the comments below, and we can create together. And if you choose to join the class if you want it to keep, you can also do that on my website, which I'll also include in the links. But my website's lulabys.com. Okay, when it comes to making art, I'm a firm believer in using what is already available to you. I started my art career as an upcycling artist. I handmade a lot of fashion accessories all out of secondhand materials, and I really carry that passion for recycling and upcycling into my artwork as well. And so this is going to hold true for making vision and dream boards. So I like to see what I have, and a lot of the stuff that just gets delivered to your house is really good to use. So here's my favorite materials. So for this dream board that I'm going to be making, I'm actually using a pizza box. I thought it was really cool how it had these tabs here. So I thought if I want to hang it up, I can do that, or add some cool strings or whatever for decoration on the sides. And one second, sorry. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be recording my professional videos here shortly today making this dream board, because when you sign up for this class, it's only $15, but it's yours to keep. You can either join me live on Saturday for free while the class is in session, but if you want this to be yours forever, I'm recording videos here today that are nice professional quality, walking through the steps that I do to make these boards. And let's see. So of course you got your board, whatever you want to use. You can use cardboard, cereal boxes, even heavy cardstock paper. All of that works beautifully. Remember, this is all just about using what you have and having fun. Of course, you're going to use magazines. You got a stack here. Ask your friends if they have magazines they don't want. People are always willing to support you and donate their unwanted magazines to you. My two favorite magazines to use, consider catalogs. Those are also really, really good. So my favorite is Athleta, that catalog, which just comes to your house. They always have, if you ever read these, they have really uplifting, confident descriptions in their ad words, in their ad copy, and I just love the Athleta catalogs. I always use this one. And then my one and only favorite magazine is this Experience Life magazine. This is all about mind, body, spirit, and they've always got really motivational stuff in here, including the last page is always some kind of motivational quote with this pretty picture. So those are my two favorite to use. Any other ones will do. I also have the glue stick to be putting these magazines on my board. I have wet glue only for an end step. I add stuff to the back of my boards, and sometimes washi tape, which is also one of my supplies that I use that always doesn't stick down as well, so then I use the tacky glue. But I don't recommend using any kind of wet glue while you're gluing your magazine pieces down, because it's wet and it wrinkles the pages and that kind of stuff. So I always recommend glue stick instead. Other materials I have are pencils, pen, writing utensils for embellishing at the end, pieces of paper, colored paper, index cards, Post-it notes, that kind of stuff for adding the stuff to the back. I'll show you really quick. So here's a vision board from last year, and then I add stuff to the back to make, just taking that extra step for really solidifying what it is that's coming through on my vision board. And then I have just kind of fun little scallop piece of paper, some fabric pieces, some yarn. I might add those things just to kind of personalize my board and really give it some characteristics, some character, and just, to make it fun. It's whatever feels fun for you, whatever you like to add. If you want to add like glitter glue or buttons or just any kind of pieces that you like. So that's what I have here. Those are what I recommend. If you want to join my class live, it's going to be streamed here on YouTube and then over onto the Facebook page, Lulubee's Art. And I have a materials list for you to download in the descriptions below. So my name's Lulubee. You can find out more about me at lulubees.com, and I hope to create with you this weekend. Thanks.